Hi everyone, it's Sheila. Welcome to my channel. On today's video, I have my mint mongoose for the month of June. It came so early. I was so shocked when I saw this in my mailbox. It is still May and I never am the first one to get my mint mongoose. So somehow I got super lucky to get my mint mongoose so early. But with that said, if you are new to my channel, first off, welcome. I would love for you to hit the subscribe button down below and join me. I do all kinds of unboxings on my channel, and if that's the kind of stuff you like, definitely hit on that subscribe button and click on that little bell, and every time I upload a video, you will be notified. Okay, so Mint Mongoose, what is it? It is a jewelry subscription service. It costs $15.99 a month, I believe, or it might be $16.99. I will leave it at the bottom of the screen. And I will also leave all the information in the description box down below. But you get to pick from 3 metals. You could choose gold, rose gold, or silver, or you could click the option of surprise me so you'll never know what you're getting every month. You can also choose the option, if you don't have pierced ears, you can choose to have no earrings sent to you. And I think in those instances, she sends you either rings or a bracelet maybe. Okay, but she always sends it in this cute little white packaging right here, and she sends a little postcard, and she always talks about her inspiration and how she comes up with her inspiration every month. For this month's inspiration, she said this month's set is inspired by harnessing and running with creativity. And in this whole paragraph, she goes into she has 3 kiddos, and every time they're going outside, her son's always picking up rocks and pebbles. So that is this month's theme. It is based on like little rocks and pebbles and just being creative with what we have available in our everyday landscaping areas. So I'm going to start with the earrings first. Let me take the ones out I have, and I'm going to hold them up for you. I'll put them first on here because I don't think they're gonna show up too good once I put them in. So maybe you can get a good glimpse of them before I actually put them in. But as you can see, they are like a stone, a little pebble, or a rock. To me, it looks like, you know, they're just, this one's a little bit more black and this one has some more black and gray. So it is definitely based on a nature theme. So I think those are really cute. And they're just on little shepherd hooks. And she does give you the little backings too for those, but I'm not gonna bother putting those in right now. Let me see how these look. Yeah, nice little cute dangly earrings, I think. Okay, and then here is the necklace that goes with it. And as she said, she chose 3 stones, and that's because she has 3 kids. So she chose that to represent her little babies. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on so you can see it. Okay, I'm hoping this picks up good. I probably don't have the best shirt for showing off jewelry today, but as you can see, it's just the 3 little rocks with the necklace. And then the third piece is just a simple silver chain, and I'm gonna hold that up for you, and then I will also put this on. And they just have different link sizes basically for them. So they have some large links and some small links. So it's just a nice basic silver necklace. So let me go ahead and put this on. Okay, so here is all 3 pieces of jewelry. What I'm gonna do is just tuck that under there so maybe you can get a better view a little bit easier. I think it's a lovely set. I think it's versatile. I think it's basic. It could go with anything. You could wear this with a t-shirt, anything. So I really like this month's nature set. Now, this weekend is Memorial Day weekend. Do you guys have any plans? So we'll probably grill something on the grill this weekend too. Probably chicken this weekend. And we have some lovely weather, thank goodness, coming. So what are your Memorial Day plans? I would love to hear. Just tell me down in the comment section. And I hope you guys, whatever you guys decide to do, whether you're grilling, whether you're just chilling out, watching movies, if you're just relaxing, if you're doing nothing, I hope you have a lovely weekend. And thank you once again for tuning in to me and subscribing and supporting me. It means the world to me. So I will see you on my next video, guys. Bye-bye.